I've got 4 ways that you can blow your TikTok up right now.
His sound on the beat.
People want to go viral, they all want to blow up, get on the For You page. That's the main page where everyone sees all the TikToks. It doesn't even matter how many people you've actually got following you, to be honest, because everyone spends most of their time on the For You page, which is where you can see all of the best TikToks, all of the ones that are going viral. This is what everyone wants to do. They all want to get big. They all want to blow up their TikTok. So I'm making videos about how to blow up your TikTok. In this video, as promised, I'm going to give you 4 tips that will help you blow up big and go viral on TikTok today. If you haven't seen this channel before, make sure you press subscribe, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with everybody that needs to hear this. Let's do this. Tip number 1, make more videos. If you've seen any of my other content, you know that I say this all the time. You need to make as many videos as you can. Spam, spam, spam. On TikTok, spam is good. Keep posting videos, make as many videos as you can. Challenge yourself. Try and make 5-10 videos a day, make more if you can make more. They need lots of content to push out to all the people that are coming onto TikTok. So if you're making loads and loads of videos, you're indicating to TikTok themselves that, hey, creator here, this is a good creator. We need to push his content out there more. Hence, the more videos you're making, the more chances you have of actually going viral and TikTok actually pushing that post out there and everybody actually getting to see it. Tip number 2, you need to use the viral sounds. There's sounds that are obviously viral that will blow people's pages up. For example, Roddy Ricch, The Box, everyone knows that song. That song has been played out, rinsed. I've seen every type of joke possible going with that song on TikTok. There were so many at a point, they're still going now, to be honest. If you see a song that keeps coming up on your For You page, find some way to use and make a TikTok with that song. Some people don't want to follow the trend, but you don't have to actually follow it in that sense. You could literally just make it your own. You could use that sound in a completely different way that nobody else has used it, which is what I do a lot of the time, and which is how I get my posts to actually go onto the For You page. Tip number 3, find a video that you like from the For You page and literally copy that video. Make the joke your own, but just literally click in the bottom right-hand corner of their TikTok. It will show you what sound they actually used. It might even be their own sound. Click on that and use it. And then from that point, try and make something different from what they did. If it means telling the same joke by a different person, then do that. Personally, I don't like to use the same joke that someone else has already used. I always try and make the joke my own or tell it in a different way, but I love just stealing the sound from people. Sorry guys, but it's just literally, that's what TikTok's about, ain't it? Trending is where everybody's used or done the same thing, so technically everybody's copying everyone. All the best TikTokers are copying, really, I suppose. Can't even get my fingers out for that one. But tip number 4, don't let anything that you see on TikTok put you off from making your TikTok content and putting it out there publicly. I mean, what it is about TikTok that puts them off is the fact that people give them negative comments, people will trash the TikTok that they've made, or it makes them want to put the TikTok onto private. They delete it. Don't delete the post, guys, which is another thing I always say. And also try and respond to every comment, good or bad. If the comment's so bad that it's upset you, just delete the comment or block that person so they can't comment anymore. But generally, I feel that on TikTok, the more engagement you get, the more your post is going to get pushed out there. So I found that even when I'm responding to negative people, even if it's just to say, don't be negative on my page, TikTok just sees that as engagement and they push that post out to more people. So if you are generally trying to go viral, then this is something that you have to do. And just to add in there, you want to actually make sure that the post is public so people can see it, so they can react and comment on it, because that is what's going to get you more engagement. Controversial things, because we are in 2020, is obviously what's making headlines. Everyone loves a bit of controversy. Everyone loves a bit of, oh, was he allowed to say that? Can you say it in that way? Everyone loves a bit of that. As long as you're not rude, then again, this is why there's so many posts on TikTok that are blowing up in the way they are. Thank you for watching if you stuck with me throughout the whole video. I am shekmusic. My TikTok name is ITSHISSOUND, same as my YouTube name. And you can actually follow me on TikTok if you want to see or get yourselves any ideas for what kind of posts you could be posting on TikTok. That's if you are music related. If you're not music related, it doesn't matter. The point is of this video is it's not hard to blow up on TikTok. I'm on the road to 10K at the moment. I've not been on TikTok for very long. I'm managing to quickly get to my goal of 10K, more quicker than I thought I'd even get there. It's took me years on Instagram just to get to 1K. So to get to 10K so fast is a general shock to me, and I think it would be a general shock to most people that watch me too. So remember, if you did learn or you did find anything helpful from this video, please like. Remember to also share, obviously, the video with people you feel that this would help even more than yourselves. And I want you to obviously comment as well if you've got anything that you feel that I didn't add in there, or any tips that you think we can all share with the TikTok community. We can try and get more people involved in the TikTok community, because there are people that want to come into it, but they're just a little bit scared. So let's get that fear out of their mind, and let's let them join the TikTok community and show them that it's very easy to go viral and blow up on there, even if you're not a celebrity. I'm SHEK Music. Thanks for watching. This is It's His Sound. Peace out.